Do you know how to check if you're being watched in a vacation rental? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and as creepy and as illegal as it sounds, there's a possibility that the next time you book a short-term vacation rental, the owner will have cameras set up. Sometimes they're for security purposes outside, but there are some creeps who do use hidden cameras inside. Here are my tips for checking and making sure your privacy is not being compromised. First, some hosts on vacation sites like Airbnb are required to reveal if they are using surveillance devices on the property and only in public areas. If you ever want to check with anyone you're renting from, and I always do this, ask them if you can expect any video or audio recording devices while staying at their property. If you feel comfortable with their answer and still go to the property, once you get there, do a check in all of the usual and the unusual places to make sure that there aren't any hidden recording devices that you can see. Now, be sure to check in private rooms like the bedroom and the bathroom, and look closely at devices like the smoke detector that might be placed, wow, just right there facing the bed. That might not look right, right? Now, if you really want to be sure there aren't any devices you don't know about, you can invest in a radio frequency detector, an RF detector. You can find them as low as around $50 online. I've got them linked at the website. And you can use these to detect cameras, eavesdropping devices, GPS trackers, and more. I always pack this, so simple, painter's tape. It can block a camera but not damage anything while you're staying there. My last tip is to use a VPN. I recommend using one on all of your devices, especially while you're traveling, so that your information is encrypted and secure even if your Wi-Fi network where you are is not. My top rated VPNs for the year are over at cyberguy.com. Just search VPN, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.